Yo guys, what is going on? And in today's video, I'm gonna be breaking down how to add and create viral hooks, and more so viral unique hooks in DaVinci Resolve. Now guys, this video is going to be insane and a lot of value, so make sure you stick around till the end. And if you are new here, my name is Ryan. I help other editors get better in DaVinci Resolve. And if you wanna become a top tier editor, check out DaVinci Resolve University in the description to become one of the top dogs in the space in less than 30 days. This is a community full of other like-minded editors just like you, so go sign up now and lock in the low price forever. But anyways guys, let's hop into the tutorial now. All right guys, so for in this example, I'm literally going to be using a movie clip from the movie Pursuit of Happiness. And I'm just gonna make it about 0.6 is a sweet spot for where you want it to be. Now guys, if you wanna know how I find movie clips, go check out this video right here. I show you exactly how to do that. But anyways guys, I really like this clip right here where he's just right here with his kid, etc. right? So we're just gonna keep it that long. We're just gonna make it a little bit longer, right? So I'm gonna unlink this audio. So let's just imagine that you have an audio that you're going to be using a hook as. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna scroll this up. I'm gonna put it on track number 2. And I actually have this white paper background that I found on Canva for completely free. So if we head over to Canva, I looked up white lines right here. And you can see I found this paper background right here. I just threw it in here and I downloaded it. So with that being said, I'm going to now go in and I'm gonna double click and create this as a new compound clip. And I'm gonna go into the Fusion page under the actual movie clip. And I'm gonna grab this little square mask and I'm gonna make it the exact length of my clip, just like so. And then I'm just gonna turn the corner radius to about 0.3, and then we're gonna go back into the edit tab. And now you can see we have a cool looking effect already. So now we're gonna deactivate this and go back into the Fusion page with the white lines. Now pay attention, because we're gonna shift space for a transform node. We're gonna go to edges and select mirror. And we're gonna hit a keyframe on frame 0 and go to the end, and we're gonna do a bunch of different, we're gonna go to about 8. So right about there. Okay, so then we're gonna go to zoom to fit with the spline open. We're gonna hit Command A, double click, and then go to ease, and then go to out cubic, all right? Then we're gonna go to settings, apply motion blur, turn the quality and the shutter angle all the way up. So now if we play this, it's going to just kind of run through just like this. But I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like this animation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change it up. I'm gonna straighten it. I'm gonna hit S on my keyboard and just drag this one out just like so, just like that, okay? Now if we come back to the edit page, we can see it starts off slow and then it goes fast, which is exactly how I want it to. Okay, so now we're gonna re-enable this clip right here. And guys, I'm going to be applying an effect right here that is essentially just a plugin for free. So it's called Magic Zoom. And basically this is going to zoom out my clip for me on automatically, right? So now we already have a zoom out like this, and this is already moving. So we're looking very cool so far already. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a text plus and another text plus. Deactivate the second one, and we're just gonna, type out whatever you're doing. So in my case, I'm gonna say viral, and go to where there's no animation. So if you actually want to deactivate that, you can. And I'm gonna come to this first text and I'm gonna make it pretty big. I'm gonna go to the font, I'm gonna do Clash Variable Royale. I'm gonna size it up about right there, make sure it's in the middle and such and so forth. We're gonna do bold. Then I'm gonna come to shading and I'm actually gonna turn on a gradient. But we're gonna turn this white just a little bit more so the gradient doesn't overpower what we're actually doing. Then we're gonna go into the Fusion page. We're gonna hit shift space for a glow. We're gonna turn the glow size up and the actual glow down, so it just gives a subtle glow effect, okay? Then we're gonna turn this one on and we're gonna do hooks. So, whatever it is, I'm gonna do the font Railway. I'm gonna turn it on to thin italic. I'm gonna turn this down so you clearly see here, now we have this just like that. It's looking good already. Then I'm gonna go ahead and hold Option and scroll up and grab another one, and I'm just gonna, do something else, whatever. By Ryan Herrick, whatever it is. I'm gonna do 9/11 as the title, and I want it to come across the whole screen just like that. So I'm gonna put it down, or what we could do is we could do Extenda, just like that. Size it up, and we could just put it on the right here, and you'll see what we do with it. So it's gonna be very subtle, so deactivate that one for now, okay? So now we have this viral hooks. So we're gonna cut everything right here. I feel like this is a good stopping point. Just personally, this is what I feel like. I'm gonna cut all these here, right? and going to my sound effects right here. This is my sound effect pack right here, which you can find in the link in the description, or if you join the community, you get all my editing packs for free. So first things first, I'm gonna turn this riser down and I'm gonna come to the audio track type and we're gonna change it to mono. So now we have it where it ends just right here. So I'm actually gonna cut it to where it goes right there. Okay, then we're gonna grab a vert transition, which is also you can find in the first link in the description. So you can either get this from my community or my editing packs, up to you. So boom, this is just a transition into the next clip. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come to the RH sound effects and I'm gonna grab this cassette sound effect right here. I'm gonna make it like this big, boom. I'm actually gonna turn this down and turn it down by 1 semitone, and then I'm gonna fade it out. So now we have something like this. Really liking that effect so far. So now pair this up with this, boom, viral hooks. Okay, so there's just one thing that we're missing. So on viral, what I'm essentially going to do here is I'm going to go to effects and my plugin pre-animate, which is in my packs. You can see that it's just going to like auto animate my thing for me. So as you can see here, auto animates it for me. Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna auto animate just the hooks. And actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually go ahead and go to text and I'm gonna go to the opacity, and as you can see, you can turn the opacity down. So I'm gonna come to frame, like all the way to the first frame. I'm gonna hit a keyframe on the opacity, and like right about like right here, like right when it comes on the clip, I'm gonna actually turn it back up. So now you can see it's like comes up and it like fades up just like so. And then viral right there. And then I'm gonna deactivate this one. We're gonna cut this one right here, cut that one as well. And we're gonna go into the hooks. So we're gonna go to the Fusion page. I'm gonna hit shift space for a transform node. And I'm gonna go down just a little bit, hit a keyframe, and then go to like 60. Go to settings, motion blur, turn this up, and then turn this back to 0.5. I don't know why I did that first. So then Command A, double click, ease, out cubic. So now if we look at this, if we enable this, you can see that they kind of just animate with each other. So boom, boom. Now if we turn this one on, we're gonna turn this one just literally like at the very end, okay? So we're gonna go to Fusion page, do the same exact thing that we just did. So just go down a little bit, keyframe, come to the end, 0.5, motion blur, zoom to fit. It's all the same stuff, you know, double click, ease, out cubic. Then for this one, we're gonna turn, we're actually gonna create a compound clip just to make my life easier. Turn the opacity all the way down, keyframe it, and then right about right there, we'll turn it back up. So now if we add this in here, boom, okay. So we're almost done here, guys. We're just gonna go ahead and add a swoosh from my packs. So as you can see here, we have a nice swoosh right here. I'm gonna turn this down to like 10 and turn the semitones down to 2, just like so. Or actually, I might wanna grab the longer one. So I'm gonna actually grab the longer one, turn it down by 10, same thing. Now if we play this through, and then also what I wanna do for the hooks is I wanna do the same thing. I don't like how it just comes out of nowhere, so I wanna turn the opacity down, go like 3 frames, maybe 4, and then just turn it back on. So now it actually looks a lot better. Boom, just like that, fellas. That was a speed run. I hope you guys followed along with me, but that was absolutely insane, an insane hook to use for your next short form content video. But thank you guys for sticking around till the end. Don't forget to either join DaVinci Resolve University, go get my packs, whatever it is, go check out those links in the description. You're not gonna regret it because I was able to edit faster with my packs, and then also joining the community, you're gonna level up and become the best video editor that you could possibly become in literally under 30 days. So guys, I will see you guys in the next video.